Duper crimes. Hello friends and welcome back to the Super Duper drawing channel. Today we are going to draw and color something delicious and creamy. Okay, let's start drawing. First we are going to start by drawing the cake base. Draw a half oval shape for the base. Then draw two curved lines for the first layer of the cake. Now on the top of the first layer, draw a smaller second layer. Now let's make our cake look even more delicious by adding details. Let's add some decoration. Cake looks beautiful. Cake looks beautiful. Cake, a creamy delicious cake. You can also add heart shape and red cherry on the cake for extra fun. Draw a candle on the top of the cake. Add a little flame. Yay! You did it! Now I'm using this black marker to make this awesome drawing more attractive and visible. It's time to color. Let's start coloring. Light blue. Cake looks beautiful. Cake looks beautiful. Cake, a creamy delicious cake. Cake looks beautiful. Cake looks beautiful. Cake, a creamy delicious cake. Delicious cake. Let's create it. Orange. Pink. Yellow. Green. Wow, amazing! There you Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you next